Hello friends, welcome back to Easy to Learn Tech and thank you for watching all my previous video. In this video we are going to talk about Daikin air conditioning error code A0, what are the causes and solution for the error A0. If you are watching my video first time, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification. Without wasting our time, let's start the video and see what are the causes for the error A0 and how you can solve the error A0 in Daikin air conditioning. First of all, let's see which type of system get this error A0. First is Sky Air, second is VRV unit and third is package unit. Let's see the supposed causes of error A0. According to the definition, it says that external protection device connected to the terminal strips are not correctly connected. Due to that, you get the error A0. Now let's talk about the solution for the error A0. The main cause of this error A0 is due to the loose connection of your terminal wire or the connectors. Make sure you connect your cable properly in the indoor terminal as well as outdoor terminal and all the connectors in your indoor as well as outdoor, and you will get the error solution for the error A0. Even if you don't get the solution for this error, then you have to check your indoor PCB or outdoor PCB. Out of this one PCB is faulty, due to that also you will get the error A0.